embers glowing in the sand. Every story in your eyes is a place I understand. We don't count the passing hours, let them drift like boats at sea. All the things I searched before were already here with me. Hear the rhythm of the night, breathing slow, steady, kind. Every wave keeps teaching us how to leave the past behind. Salty wave, slow me down, let my feet stay on this ground. Every sound the ocean makes feels like love it can't replace. Salty wave, stay a while, leave your echo when you smile. In this calm, in this space, I find heaven in your face. No control, just the stars above our skin. If the world should pull us back, we'll remember how this felt. When the tide begins to sleep and the beach turns cold and blue, I'll still feel the warmth of us in every song I make for you. let it find us just the same. Still humming salty waves, still calling out your name. But this feeling stays with me. Every road I thought I knew ends right here beside the sea.
I don't need a perfect plan or a map to where we go. Every wave that hits the shore says there's nothing else to know.
When the night turns cold and quiet, and the fire's burning low, I can hear your heartbeat saying, this is all we need to know.
Salty waves stay in time. Move with yours and move with mine. Every rise and every fall, love remains through it all.
Salty wave, endless blue, all my roads lead back to you. In this sound, in this flame, nothing else feels the same. Let the rhythm breathe and sway. Let the music drift away. Even when the silence comes, our love hums like ocean drums. Lanterns floating in the dark,
sky turns quiet blue, I'll still hear the ocean hum, singing softly back to you.
Let it come when it feels right, till the sun touches the sea. You and I, eternally. comes without a rush. Coffee mixed with ocean air. You're dancing with the wind. Sunlight sleeping everywhere. We talk slow about our dreams. Simple plans, a light alive. If the world gets too loud again, we'll escape into this vibe. Barefoot steps on broken shells. Every sound feels warm and real. Nothing here we have to prove. Only moments we can feel.
When the sky turns orange blue and the day begins to fall, every wave keeps saying softly, love is all we really want.
Yeah. Salty wave, come and stay. Don't let this feeling fade away. Every note the ocean plays pulls my lonely heart your way. Salty wave, slow and deep. Promises we choose to keep. In this rhythm, you and me, free as we were meant to be.
If the night forgets our names, let the stars remember us. Even silence feels alive when your breath is close enough.
Night breeze calling out our names. Palm trees swaying, slow reply. Every fear I used to hold melts beneath this open sky. Your voice rides the ocean hum, blowing sweet like distant drums. Every step feels meant to be, like the tide returning home. If the road gets rough again, if the days forget our song, I'll remember nights like this, where our hearts stayed calm and strong.
Salty wave, hold the sound, let it wrap us all around. Every echo
If this love is all we own, it's enough to feel alive. Silent shore, the water glows. Moonlight paints the tide in chrome. Every step I take with you feels like finding my way home.
Breathing slow, we match the sea. Heartbeat sinks with rolling foam. All the names I had before fade into this gentle tone.
If the world forgets our face, if the noise returns again, I'll remember nights like this, where the soul learned how to rest. Salty wave, calm my mind, leave the weight of days behind. Every motion, every sound turns my worries into sand. Salty wave, carry on till the dark is fully gone. In this peace, in this space, slow.
Let the daylight
Gently flow. Every step along the shore makes me love you even more. Salty wave, clear and wide. Walk with me into the tide in this light. Pure and new, all my roads still lead to you.
If the day grows loud again, if the world begins to race, I'll return to salty waves and remember this safe place.
The day moves slow along the coast. Shadows short beneath our feet. Every laugh you throw my way sound like summer on repeat.
Waves keep clapping to the beat of a song we never planned. Life feels lighter in this heat, with your fingers in my hand. Oh.
No need running from the time. Let it pass us like the breeze. Every moment finds its place when the heart is finally free. Salty wave, sunny tide, roll with me right by my side. Every splash, every sound feels like love all around. Salty wave, clear and free. This is how it's meant to be. In this day, in this glow, we got nowhere else to go. Oh, oh, radio plays an old love song. Palm trees dance without a care.
while, I'll still hear the salty wave, keeping rhythm without time.
The horizon slowly bends, colors bleed into the sea. Every second feels so wide, like it's waiting just for me.
Your smile cuts the evening calm, soft as wind on open skin. All the noise I carried once falls away with every grin.
Let the past dissolve in foam, let the future drift and wait.
All I need is now and here. Every breath feels perfectly placed.
Salty wind, take control, rock my body, free my soul. Every rhythm pulls me close to the love I feel the most.
Salty waves, slow and deep, secrets that the ocean keeps. In this groove, in this light, everything is feeling right.
No words needed, no disguise, just the moon in your eyes. If this night could stay forever, I would never ask it why.
When the morning comes too soon and the sky turns pale at noon, I'll still hear the salty wave singing softly about you.
The ocean hums beneath our feet like a heartbeat made of blue. Every moment feels complete, just standing here with you. Oh.
I let go of who I was, like salt dissolving in the sea. Every step I take tonight feels closer to the real me.
If the answers never come,
If the road just disappears,
I will trust the moving tide
that carried us right here. Salty wave, drift with me, no beginning, no decree. Every motion, soft and kind, unties the knots inside my mind. Salty wave, slow release, teach my heart this kind of peace. In your flow, wide and true, I keep coming back to you.
when the nightfall gets to end and the moon stays hanging low.
I remain inside this sound where love and ocean slowly grow. Woo.
knows our hidden scars. Every moment feels forgiven. Underneath these quiet stars, I lay my worries in the sand. Let the water take them all. Every wave that touches shore feels like freedom when they fall.
No more running, no more why. Just the now we're living in. Every sound becomes a sign that this peace is real within. Salty wave, set me free from the weight that followed me. Every tide that comes and goes leaves me lighter than before. Salty wave, slow and wide, hold my heart against the tide. In this rhythm, calm and true, I keep finding in you. Oh, yeah.
If the dawn arrives too soon, let it find us still the same. Breathing love into the air, calling gently each other's name. fantasy forgets its name. I remain inside this sound, where love moves just the same. Moving, never tired, like the love inside my chest. Every scar I used to hide finds its peace when you're the rest. I was lost in city lights, chasing things I didn't need. Now the ocean speaks your name in a slow and gentle beat.
If the storm comes rolling in, let it wash us clean and new. Even rain feels like a song when it's falling next to you.
Salty waves carry me to the place where hearts feel free. Every night, every day, your love drifts my fears away. Salty waves, soft and strong, you and I, where we belong. In this sound, in this time, your soul keeps calling mine. Oh, 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 baby. Oh, oh, just the sea and breathing slow. If this moment fades to black, our love still continues to flow. Water listens when we breathe. Every sigh becomes a sound. All the things we couldn't say find their way without a doubt. I feel lighter than before, like the tide inside my chest. Nothing chasing, just this moment at its best.
Surrender. Let the night decide the pace. Let the rhythm choose the road. Every wave reminds my heart I don't have to carry loads.
Salty wave, come and flow. Take me where the calmness grows. Every pull, every release brings my soul a little peace. Salty wave, rise and fall. I don't fight you anymore. In your motion, soft and slow, I learn how to let things go. When the silence fills the space and the stars begin to sway, I stay floating in this sound where the sea and love both stay. Salty wave, salty wave, salty wave, salty wave, salty wave, salty wave. Before the dawn begins to breathe, the sea is calm, the world is slow. Every shadow starts to fade into colors soft and low.
I hear my name inside the tide. Ooh, calling gently, calling true. Every road I ever took
softly come,
and the stars are letting go.
I'll still carry ocean songs
In my